I would like to begin with a poem in old-fashioned meter. Be good to us, and we'll be good to you.
Scene 5. Getting honest.
Setting. Scene 5 takes place in yet another meeting. The Never Alone, Never Again group of High Socks Anonymous. This meeting meets in the same church where Romeo had his inner monologue in Scene 2. Newcomer Sarah sits at the front beaming with all the excitement and nervousness of someone chairing their first ever meeting.
Okay guys, welcome to the Never Alone, Never Again group. Is there any newcomer other than yours truly who would like to share? Or is there someone with a burning desire to share?
I would like to share.
By all means, Romeo.
To be or not to be honest? That is the question. I've been living like shit, sharing like Shakespeare. Recovery is not my top priority or even registering on my radar. I've suffered spiritual lapses to the point of isolation, dereliction, and utter despair. Service work, meetings, and sponsor, these things do not concern me. What concerns me is my immediate wants and needs, my own interests and instant gratification until they become demands. I feel better than and less than at the same time, a narcissist with an inferiority complex. I want to use. If I had even the slightest illusion that using drugs would make me feel better, I would use them. Thank God for the first step. But instead, I want to alter my state through hurting myself or another person. Anywhere but here. I have reached a place with multiple years clean, where oblivion is appearing preferable. I need to save my ass. I feel constitutionally incapable of the kind of self-honesty required for this program. I need help.
Wow, thanks for sharing, Romeo.
I'm an addict in recovery named Steve. Wow, this has been a great meeting so far. It takes a lot of courage to share honestly, especially after a relapse. Any kind of relapse. I have a lot of respect for people who come back. The real shame is in not coming back. Will people yell out, "No shame" during the white key tag? I want to say to them, speak for your own goddamn disease. Cause I don't know about you, Romeo, and all the rest of you, but I suffer from a disease that will have me feeling like I'm the slimiest, lowest, dirtiest addict in the whole goddamn fellowship. A misfit among misfits. But see, that's just my disease. I'm no worse than anyone else in here. Well, maybe Angry Bill. He's kind of an angel of sorts. I've been around for a few sundial spins, and I have gotten sick and tired of being sick and tired. With clean time and experience in recovery. Practicing the principles of honesty, surrender, humility, and courage does not come naturally to me. It has gotten easier with practice, but it still does not come naturally. It sure beats the alternative, though. The program still works even when I stop working it. However, I cannot live on yesterday's recovery. I have had to humble myself many times and admit the destructive nature of my self-will. It sometimes is especially difficult after I have some time and some experience with aligning my will with that of a higher power, even to the point where God's will becomes my own true will for myself in certain situations. It's especially painful because I like to believe I have changed, and I have changed, but I still have a lot of work to do sometimes. A long way to go still. Then the self-pity comes in, and I want to minimize all the progress I have made. I want to disqualify myself from recovery. Like, well, I tried and I came as far as I could go, which isn't very far. Self-pity keeps me from seeing the reality of the situation. Thank God for putting me into intimate contact with the very people who have suffered like me and recovered from the same issue.
Thank you for sharing.
Yeah, what's up, family? My name's Tony. Tony Sausages. I'm an addict. First and foremost,
Before anything, I want to thank my wife, Karen Renee. Why? She made red sauce with pasta before I came to the meeting. There was a time when I could not eat red sauce with pasta. Why? Because I was out there using. What do you think, this is a fucking game? Huh? You newcomers? You come up in here, cross-addicted, fucking triple afflicted? The fuck is wrong with you? This is not a game. It talks about it in IP number 942. Read it. That's the problem these days. Nobody reads the literature. I gotta tell you something, okay? Okay, family? There's a lot of misinformation around here. The greatest enemy of knowledge is not ignorance. It is the illusion of knowledge, okay? I'm a student of the literature. Pony sausages, over and out.
Well, that's all, folks. Thanks for listening to Sharing Like Shakespeare. Stay tuned for the sequel, coming to you soon.
Never gonna stop, no, no. When you're looking in my eyes, I can tell that you bought colored contacts to make your eyes look prettier. That's all you're good for. That's all you're good for. I can tell that you spent $100 on those pretty eyes of yours. You looked through the pamphlet of possible choices. You picked that blue color you're wearing under your fucking eyelids. Damn, if I was you, I would have picked a more orangish color. Your skin tone doesn't go very well with blue. Ooh. Your skin color doesn't really go well with blue. That's right, I said it. Yeah, get out of my face.